afternoon, everyone. I am here today to do a video for you guys in regards to Dream Essentials. I love the skincare products. I use it to shave my head, my face, my body on a regular basis. So today what I'm going to do is show you what I do when I'm shaving with Dream Essentials. I let my hair grow out a little. You can see, don't want to let it grow out too much. Because then you have issues with ingrowns and stuff like that. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is wash my hands. I do have the hand soap. I just wet my hands a little. I use one pump from the hand soap. And the first thing I'm gonna be doing today is shaving my head. Now, being the fact that I've been shaving my head for almost 2 years now, until I started using this product, I had a lot of bumps. And what it has done for me is it has gotten rid of the bumps. It has really helped my skin to blend in together. And I feel like it's just done me amazing. So first thing I want to do is I want to wet my head. So some water in my hands, cold water. Once I've done that, I am using the skin cleanser. I'm going to use 2 pumps. Now, normally, if you're shaving and you let your hair grow out too much, you will end up shaving forward then backwards, but I don't normally let my hair grow too much, so I'm just going to be shaving against the grain, so back, so I want that clean, smooth look. Now that I'm lathered, kind of let it set in some, and now I'll start shaving. So I can do the back as well. Now on the back of my head, it's not too lathered, so I'm just gonna take one more pump, some water in my hand, and lather it up just a little bit more. So now that I finished the shave, I rub my hand over my head just so I can feel to see if I have any spots that I've missed. Any here. Okay. Now I'm going to rinse with cold water. I pat dry. My skin doesn't feel dry. Feels smooth. And now to add to it, I will use the skin cream. I'm just gonna use a very small amount because a little bit with this goes a long way. I'm gonna warm it up in my hands. And that is pretty much it right there. What this has done for me is, I'm sure a lot of you, once you use this product, you will be able to see is that a lot of my problem areas was around my ears, which is no longer a problem. I had a lot of bumps around my ears, around the back of my neck, which you see the back of my neck is just as smooth as well. So it's cleared up a lot of the bumps, and now that the bumps are gone, the skin is starting to blend back in together, so I don't have those dark spots. Also use it to shave, which it has helped my face as well, lighten up a lot. I'll be doing that after this video is done. But this is what it looks like, and it feels amazing. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.